Hello friends, it is me! So hi there! I don't know if you've noticed, but I dyed my hair black and it's kind of faded, so it's like a little bit dark brownish in places. It's perfect because today's gonna be a cosplay event that I'm gonna go to, and there are so many characters that I can cosplay with black hair. All of these characters, I put in a list and there are so many more, but the one I'm gonna go for is my baby. Oh my god, I love her! My second favorite character from Chainsaw Man, it's Kobeni. And my first favorite character is Kobeni's car. Sorry for the spoilers, Kobeni has a car and it is it is more popular than Kobeni herself. That's kind of funny, but it would be kind of hard to cosplay a car. And kind of weird, so I'm gonna go for Kobeni. And also I can cosplay Himeno, which is pretty easy, and I can't believe my hair exactly matches like the hair that Kobeni has, and yeah, I think the character like suits me really well, so I'm gonna cosplay her, which is very easy. You only need like a white shirt, you probably already have one, and you also need black pants, and you need something like this thing, like very elegant. And you also need a tie, a black tie, which I didn't have, so I made one from like a vest thing. So this is my tie. It's hot glued. So don't look too close because it's freaking ugly, but it works. This is just like a very quick cosplay thing that I did so that I have it. Okay, here is the tie. It's fine. Basically we can cosplay Himeno if you have like something like this. It's a thing, it's an eye patch. It's very annoying, and yeah, I could also cosplay her, but I really don't like wearing an eye patch. It's very freaking annoying. I already hate it. What do I do with my hair? I can't really see what's going on, but there you go. It's Himeno. I think it's cool. Is it good? But while we love Himeno very much, Kobeni, I don't know, I like her better. So I'm just gonna do one thing. I put my hair up. And I made two of these like hair clips, which are red, that is gonna make it like recognizable that it's Kobeni. And I also cut my hair shorter in the front just for this. It's gonna be very annoying for me because I won't be able to like put my hair behind my ear for a little while, but it's worth it because cosplay. Okay, I'm gonna put up these little hair ties. Did I do it? Is it cute? Oh my god, I can't see. Oh my god! so much. Oh my god, I forgot to flip my septum off my nose. Oh, and it's gone. It's kind of uncomfortable, but yeah, it's healed after 4 months of me trying to not play with it and also playing with it and preventing it from healing properly. It's finally healed. Great. Yeah, and these piercings I cannot take off, so it's gonna be there. Oh my god. Okay, we don't have much time, so we're gonna go and have fun, and hopefully I'm gonna get a Pochita plushie. I made it years ago and I gave it to someone, and someone's gonna like bring it and stuff, so it's let's go.
¡Vaya a hacerme! ¡Vaya a hacerme!
Csodálatos.